Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles, Rubika Kitchen's only way. First, let's prepare our workspace. Gather all your ingredients, both dry and wet, and measure them precisely. Make sure your waffle iron is preheated to the right setting, usually medium-high. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, leading to perfectly golden and crispy waffles every time. Now let's create our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. In another bowl, combine 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Ensure your waffle iron is hot and lightly greased if it's not non-stick. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the iron, spreading it slightly if needed. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffle is beautifully golden brown and steam stops escaping. This timing ensures a perfectly cooked, fluffy interior and a crispy exterior. Once your waffle is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the iron using a fork or tongs. Place it on a plate and serve immediately. These waffles are fantastic with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy the warm, crispy texture and the delightful flavor of your homemade Rubika Kitchen waffles. They are truly a treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.